All right, so let's get you installing this pressure mini water tank. Here's going to be your first piece. I already put some Teflon tape on there. I'm not sure if we really need that or not, but it's a metal to plastic fitting, so they make note that you don't have to thread this all the way down onto there. All right, then this will be your next piece. We'll just pop that right in there, and we'll get a clip for it. All right, let's bring this a bit closer. And get the clip in there. All right. All right. All right, so I'm going to disconnect the water inlet. All right, so just made a mark here, so I know exactly how far that needs to go in. All right, let's put our new piece in. And put the clip back on. This is going to connect to the tank. I'll come back and install clips at the end. Then from here, just got a little jumper piece. And then we're going to connect this. All right, put one there. And then we're going to take from the original going up to the faucet, it's here, and then here I'll do going over to the refrigerator. So here's just a little valve so you can shut it off. A little piece between there now. All right. Little jumper piece here. Now let's go through and put all these clips back in, or put the clips in. If you ever need to disconnect these, you have to take this and push it down and then pull your tubing out. Because if you just try to pull your tubing out, it's not going to come out. And the clips just keep this from popping up, so you can't push it and pull it out. All right, I don't have this placed yet, but see, we come out, go into the reservoir tank. Then we go into this T, and off of this T goes up to your faucet, and here you have this shut-off valve which goes around to your refrigerator. This part of the video I'm just showing how to connect the female nut onto your tubing so that you can connect it to your water line on your refrigerator. I actually ended up going through and replacing this white tubing with a blue tube that was 30 feet long. The tubing that comes in the kit was only 15 or 16 feet, so it wasn't quite long enough to reach my refrigerator. I wanted to have the least amount of connections as possible, so I replaced this white tubing with a 30-foot blue tubing, so that's why you may see the different colors in different portions of the video. Here you can see that I've replaced the white tubing with the blue tubing, and it is one continuous piece of tubing all the way from the refrigerator all the way around to the reverse osmosis system underneath the sink. Alright, so here's the final product. We've got the Waterdrop 600 back in place. So we have the tank sitting right here. Wires everywhere. I'm a cable management type of person, so I'll work on this. But there it is. So essentially, since there's a slight delay when you turn on the water with the reverse osmosis, the tank acts as a reservoir. So as soon as your refrigerator needs water for ice or the faucet, it already has the water in the tank to pull from. So it eliminates half full ice trays. All right, no delay in water coming out. I have a pretty long path to get around to the refrigerator. So essentially what I did was I drilled in the back of each cabinet, and as you can see, the water line just goes all the way through there, all the way behind the dishwasher and into the cabinet. If this video was helpful, give it a like, consider subscribing, leave your comments and questions below, and check out my affiliate links in the description. Thanks.